Dora the Explorer. Dora's perfect pumpkin. Hi, I am Dora. Abuela is making a pie, a pumpkin pie. Do you like pie? I do. Boots and I have to go to the pumpkin patch. We will get a pumpkin to make the pie. Map says we need to go over Troll Bridge and to the farm. We can take this wagon to carry our pumpkin. Here is Troll Bridge, and here is the grumpy old troll. The grumpy old troll has a riddle for us.
There are 4 seasons. Do you know them all? They are winter, spring, summer, and...
Do you know the answer? Right! The answer is fall. Good job. Now we can cross Troll Bridge. We made it to the farm. We need to find the orange pumpkins. Do you see the pumpkin patch? Is this the pumpkin patch? No, these are not pumpkins. These are tomatoes. Is this the pumpkin patch? No, these are not pumpkins. These are peppers. Is this the pumpkin patch? Yes! Look at all the pumpkins. Boots and I need to pick a pumpkin now. Should we pick this pumpkin? No, it is too big. Should we pick this pumpkin? No, it is too small. Should we pick this pumpkin? Yes, it is the perfect pumpkin for Abuela's pie. Now we can put the pumpkin in our wagon. We will take it to Abuela. We made it! Now Abuela can make her pumpkin pie. Boots and I help. We scoop out the pumpkin seeds. Then Abuela mixes sugar, milk, eggs, flour, cinnamon, and pumpkin. She pours it in the crust. Then she puts it in the oven. Soon the pie will be done. The pie will taste so good. The pie is done. Yum! It is a perfect pumpkin pie. Thank you for helping us today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you next time.